Here's a real-world problem close to all of us today. A pharmaceutical company develops a vaccine for a pandemic virus. How do they know it works? Split testing is the answer. Explained simply, they split their test population into two groups. One gets the trial vaccine, and the other gets a placebo. And then they measure results for each group, their test group, those who got the vaccine, and their control group, those who thought they were getting a vaccine but didn't. Split testing is the best method we have for establishing the effectiveness of a change we want to make, but there are some challenges. First, are you testing the right thing? The variation you want to test has to be specific, and it has to be able to produce a measurable change. The next challenge is setting up your test and control groups properly. For a valid test, the two groups need to be alike in their composition. Testing a vaccine with adults in one group and children in the other would not be valid, as each group brings in its own variables. The third challenge is significance level. How do I know if my results are significant enough that I can act on them with confidence? Significance level measures the probability that were I to run the same test again, I would get the same result. But why do we need split testing in SEO? Unfortunately, much of the conventional wisdom in our industry is built on hearsay. We also have a tendency to roll the dice on new SEO investments without first having any tangible evidence that they will work. For these reasons and more, all SEOs need to be skilled at running their own tests. Even if there is already tested information out there, every site in its niche is unique. Something that may be true for sites in general may not work for yours. What sort of tests should you be running? Here's just a sampling of the kinds of tests our most successful clients run. But if you think deeply about what matters to you and your business, you'll probably come up with even more. Looking for the simplest and most potentially impactful thing to test first? We recommend running title tag tests. Test different length titles, brand name and title versus not, keyword and title and its placement, and more. Build an effective muscle for accurate, valid, significant testing, and you'll quickly reap real SEO benefits.